আমার পয়লা বৈশাখের মেকআপ ঘেঁটে একদম হয়ে গেছে।
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
So basically, I was getting ready for my Noboborsho look, completely unaware of the disaster that was about to unfold. I did my skincare, applied some primer, then color corrector, and set it all with loose powder. Next, I used concealer and blended it in nicely. At this point, we were dangerously close to the chaos. It was such a fool. Why don't I ever check things beforehand? Anyway, I moved on to eyeshadow, trying to go for a smoky eye look, and then she shows up, the villain of the story, my almost empty kajal. I started applying it, and right in the middle, just as I finished one eye, it ran out. The base makeup was already done, and the kajal was on top. If I removed it, the entire base would have gotten ruined. And to top it, I wasn't feeling well that day either. So redoing everything, not an option. তো আমি আমার একটা পুরোনো লুকের ভিডিও দেওয়ার ট্রাই করব if possible. But আপাতত এটা আর কাজ করছে না। So yeah.